In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off last seen or activity indicator on Snapchat. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, you need to open up Snapchat. After that, just tap right here at the top left corner at your profile picture or Bitmoji. Then tap at that gear to head over to Settings. And here we need to scroll down all the way until at Privacy Control section we'll find Activity Indicator. This option is enabled by default, and when it is enabled, others can see if you have been active on Snapchat recently. To turn it off, just tap right here. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.